We are transforming a vision into reality in the heart of Los Alamitos. Welcome to our latest residential addition and remodel project. We have been engaged in a comprehensive effort to expand and revitalize this single-family home from the ground up. Our objective is to create a modern, durable, and secure living space. The foundation of any great home is flawless engineering. Our expert team handled the comprehensive structural and civil engineering, ensuring lasting stability. Beyond the frame, the essence of a home resides in its systems. Our expert MEP engineering provided advanced, safe solutions for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing needs. Throughout the entire process, we provided continuous engineering support to the architect and contractor, ensuring smooth permit and plan check coordination. In proud partnership with Signal Hill Builders, we are bringing this project to life through true teamwork and expertise. Are you in search of dependable engineering solutions for your upcoming residential or commercial project? Reach out to us today to begin the process.